Meditation. How to meditate, why you should meditate, who can meditate. Hashtag meditation is life. Get your meditate on, meditate on, meditate on, get your meditate on, meditate on, meditate on, meditate on, get your meditate on. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Before we jump in, I just want to remind you that you are enough, you are perfect, and you are beautiful just as you are. Meditation is so good for you. It's good for your body, but it's also good for your brain. Meditation does so many awesome things for your brain, and it's also really good for your mental health. So we're gonna go over all of that in this video. I have anxiety. It is what it is. And if I don't meditate every single day, I become very neurotic, very anxious, and very cranky, and it's not good. Okay, I'm telling you, it's not good. A lot of people seem to think that meditation is this really, really hard skill and it takes years and years to master and learn. It's not. Meditation, the act of meditating, is actually fairly easy. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this video. If you like this video, if you find it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to hit that bell and turn on my post notifications so you never miss another video ever again. Go ahead. Just click it. Click the button. Click the button! Oh my god, that was so loud. Also, if you are interested in being featured in all of my videos, or if you're interested in winning weekly giveaways, then make sure you click the link in my description box and check out the perks that you get for becoming one of my patrons. Also, if you are interested in daily makeup tips, daily fashion tips, daily selfies, daily stories featuring me and my dog and my food and my boyfriend, then follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at Beauty by Lapis. Without further ado, and without any more shameless promotion, let's jump into the video. So what exactly is meditation? A lot of people think that meditation is the act of silencing your mind, and I guess in a way it can be considered that, but really what it is the act of looking inward. Meditation is about being in the present moment and realizing your most inner thoughts. It's really looking into yourself, diving into your unconscious mind rather than your conscious mind, which is, what you're in all day, every day. So, why should you meditate? It's not just for monks people, okay? There's real benefits to this, trust me. Studies have shown that meditation can improve your focus and productivity. It can decrease your risk of certain diseases like Alzheimer's. It can increase your inner clarity, and it decreases anxiety. Woo! There are so many benefits to meditation, but I'm not going to list them all in this video because it will be like very long, and we don't have that kind of time. We just don't have it, okay? I'm sorry. So how do you learn how to meditate? Is meditation hard? Can anybody learn how to meditate? No, meditation is not hard, and yes, absolutely anyone can learn how to meditate. Honestly, my 16-year-old nephew has been meditating since he was like 7. So, meditation truly is for everyone. The first thing you want to do when you're trying to meditate is find a comfortable space and position. Trust me, you do not want to be uncomfortable and trying to relax your mind. It doesn't work. I'm sorry, but it's not gonna work. Personally, I love to lay down on my bed, on my back, and meditate lying down. Do I doze off sometimes? Absolutely, but that's okay. The next thing you want to do when you're going to meditate is set the atmosphere. Dim the lights, grab some candles, light some incense, get some crystals if you're into that kind of thing. Anything that is going to make you relaxed and comfortable is good for when you are trying to meditate. Personally, I love meditating in a dark room by candlelight. Well, usually one candle. It's a fire hazard, so I'll light one candle. And I meditate using crystals. I will either place them in my hands while I'm laying down, or I will put one on my forehead where my third eye is, or sometimes I'll do all three. So I'll have crystal in each hand and one on my third eye, and that's usually how I like to meditate. It relaxes me, it calms me. Good stuff. Good stuff. Some of my favorite crystals to meditate with are amethyst, aventurine, clear quartz, rose quartz, obsidian, and lapis lazuli, of course. Please keep in mind throughout this video that none of these things are necessary to meditate. You don't have to have crystals to meditate. You don't have to light candles in order to meditate. This whole thing comes from you. But if you want to set a certain atmosphere so that you are more comfortable, you are more than welcome to do that. So once you have your meditation space and your meditation position and your meditation atmosphere, what you're gonna do is close your eyes. Yes, close your eyes. Or if you want, you can meditate with your eyes open. Personally, I don't, because usually I have the lights off, so it's just like I'm staring into the dark abyss of my room, and I'm a little scared of the dark, so I usually keep my eyes closed. While your eyes are closed, what I want you to do is focus on your breath. Breathe in through your nose and count to 5. Exhale through your mouth and count to 5. In through the nose, out through the mouth. You want to make sure that you are constantly focusing on your breath. That's all you want. Oh my gosh. That is all you want to think about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. When a random thought pops into your head, and trust me, it will, don't even engage with it. You know, just let it pass you by. Keep focusing on your breath. Did I turn off the oven? Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I lock my car door? Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I pay my rent this month? Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I edit my video from last night? Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't dwell on your thoughts. Don't ponder them. Literally just let them float away like passing clouds. Do not interact with them. Focus on your breath. Eventually you will reach the point where your body will start to relax. And at that point you can either stop your meditation or you can continue to meditate, still focusing on your breath, still deep breathing. And whenever you feel comfortable, whenever your body tells you that you're done, just wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, and slowly open your eyes. That's basically all there is to meditating. Of course, there are different types of meditations, different things you can do while you're meditating. And if you guys want to see that, I will definitely go over that in some other videos. I can do some guided meditations for you guys if you want to see that. So if you're interested in that, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and tell me that you want some guided meditations. And I'll take care of that for you. When you're starting out with meditation, I have found that this is the easiest way to start because you don't have to worry about adding in other things. You're literally just focusing on your breath. Also, there is no time, I guess, limit for meditation. If you only have time to meditate 1 minute a day, then do it. If you have time to meditate for 3 hours, then do it. When I first started out with meditation, I could only focus for 1 minute because I just could not keep myself sitting still. So I literally would meditate for 1 minute every day. And now I'm up to 5 minutes. Your girl's doing good. That is all for this video, you guys. I really hope that it was helpful to you. I hope that this gave you a little bit more insight into meditation and why you should definitely be doing it every day. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and make sure to hit that bell and turn on my post notifications so that you never miss another meditation video ever again. Don't forget to check out my Patreon page if you are interested in becoming a patron of mine and being featured in my videos and being entered into weekly giveaways, because who doesn't like free stuff? I like free stuff. So make sure you click the link in my description box and check that out if you're interested. And make sure you are following on my social medias at Beauty by Lapis on Instagram and Twitter, because I'm always on there and I'm always posting workout videos and makeup stuff and all kinds of good stuff. All kinds of good stuff. So check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you so much. I love you so much. I love you so much. And I will see you tomorrow with a really awesome video on confidence. How to be confident. Where do you get confidence? And I will see you tomorrow for a really awesome video on confidence. How do you get confidence? Does everyone have confidence? Is confidence hard to get? We're gonna talk about it tomorrow. So make sure you come back. Make sure you tune in, because you don't want to miss it. Also, before you go, you should check out some of the things that are floating around my face. Like this video here. Or this video here.